good? I'm gonna be vlogging our road trip. We going to Georgia right now. This kid's hella ugly. We got a billy goat in the back.
You had it a day ago, bro.
Shut up. Alright, update. She's chilling. Look at that little face, bro. It's hella cute. That one, she's back there because we don't love her. We got we're taking him across the border where he belongs. Alright guys, what's good? We took a wrong turn, but we back at it now. We're gonna go to Show Road. No idea what that is, but we out here. Alright guys, so I have no idea where the hell we are, but it's 104 outside. The goat's getting a little tired. The dogs are getting dehydrated.
Don't speak for me, I speak for myself.
My mom's in the bathroom, but yeah, we're almost to Flagstaff. Yeah, just got an update, y'all. Hey guys, what's good? We just got at the hotel. As you can see, the dogs are acting up. Got a hole in my shirt. The help is in the bathroom, but you know, we about to hit the gym and then the pool. Alright guys, it's 11:30. You know, today was pretty successful. We went from California to Arizona. Got my baby girl over there in the bed. 2018.
I don't care.
Gotta go to sleep now, so Alright guys, what's good? We're here enjoying some breakfast, you know. Me and the help. We were gonna go to Albuquerque, but now we're going to the Grand Canyon today instead, and then we're gonna drive to Albuquerque after that, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we're at the Grand Canyon. Me and the help.
Nigga.
No way in hell I'm going towards the edge.
You're a pussy.
But this kid, it's crazy. He did it.
Thank you. From here and then from there.
Okay, thank you.
Cause like I've been searching my whole life to find my own place. And maybe it's a party talking.
Alright guys, what's good? We just came to New Mexico. I missed the sign. Kind of sad. But yeah. But we're in New Mexico. We're almost to Georgia. The help's still in the back. She won't pull over on the side of the road because she thinks it's dangerous. She wants me to drive, but she won't pull over.
What the hell?
So.
Everyone watches your vlogs, bro.
Shut up. Alright, what's good, guys? We arrived in New Mexico, Albuquerque. Turkey. Yeah, so my dog almost got stuck in the elevator and killed herself, but I was trying to eat a cookie. That happened. Got this great view. Look at that, we get to look at a roof. We're about to go try to find where the pool's at, and just big back and be bull. We out here, guys. We're taking it all the way up to the 15th floor in this elevator. This is like the tallest building I've been in with an elevator, so almost all the way up to the top. So yeah. Tis going to be fun. It stopped. Alright, never mind. That's not happening. Well, I guess we're taking the stairs. I'll see you guys on the 15th floor. This is not fun. So out of shape. Haven't worked out since I had ACL surgery. Oh, fuck, only on the 9th floor. I keep going. Doing this for the views. I swear this video better get more than 20 views. Some bullshit. 10. Oh, about to pass out. Look. Here we go, boys. Oh, Starbucks. 11. Pour more. Try away. 12. We almost I hate to stay on this floor. 14. We'll find it. We'll get it. We just gotta.
Dude, these are the nice rooms. Dude, it says Hilton Honors.
Hey, we're in honors, member. What the fuck? We just gotta find the door that says employees only. They should have upgraded us to this bitch. What the fuck? Some. What would you? That's a room, Eli. Goddamn! Hey, free food. All right. Well, looks like we can't get to the roof. All right, so we just walked in on this. So some quality TV.
Wait, what?
Like that. What you watching there, Eli? What you watching there, buddy? What you watching? Alright guys, we're leaving New Mexico now. We're on our way to Dallas. As you can see, the Hope is still in the bath. The dogs are okay. We might stop at Cadillac Ranch, right? I'll be sure to vlog that for you guys. Gotta get them views. Alright guys, what's up? We out here in Roswell, New Mexico, where the aliens are at. We're gonna go to Hoover Dam in a little, and then Area 51. We're gonna try to see how close we can get to that. Currently being attacked by flies. It's not fun. So yes, there is. It's not fun. Yeah, kind of sucks. It's hot as hell, and there's a pool, but the pool's hotter than it is outside, so no point in that. Yeah. So apparently, Area 51 and the Hoover Dam are in Nevada, not New Mexico. So Joe here for nothing.
Fly country.
Now there's a lot. Yeah, there's a shit ton of flies here.
Bugs. Big ass bugs.
There's a sheep.
I don't know, guys. So we were out here. We were looking for some aliens, but now
No aliens.
now we're looking for some sheep. Apparently, we just found some. We just heard some sheep, and they're off in like this direction somewhere.
Goddamn chupacabra, nigga.
I guess we're looking for the chupacabra now. Okay, I hear a goat. Or not a goat, a fucking sheep. Have I been saying goat this entire time? I'm sorry, subscribers. I meant sheep.
Damn animals, man. Unsubscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Dick Knocker 286.
I like it. I mean, this place is called Wool, so it would make sense that there's sheep there.
Oh, what the fuck? It would.
I feel like we're just gonna get to. Oh, it's gonna be like that scene from Chicken Little. We're gonna get there. We're gonna see the spaceship.
No, there's just gonna be hella fucking sheep, bro. They're just like, bah! We're like, oh shit.
I really feel like we're gonna get abducted. Hey, if we do get abducted,
bro, there's no fucking aliens. If there is,
don't say
come
that.
fucking probe me, nigga.
Oh, more barbed wire.
It stands for area.
Alright, guys. We found Area 51 in New Mexico. Look at this. 51. Found Area 51, guys.
What's in here?
Oh no. The sheep is quiet.
Do we really want to?
I mean, we could just
I
get
don't
up on
hear the
that.
sheep anymore, though.
Yeah, no, the sheep got quiet.
Hey, buddy.
It's almost like it was planned.
It's almost like they wanted us here.
Alright, well, let's see. Personal leavings must pay to renter stadium. Oh. No weapons.
This is a stadium.
I guess can't bring these guns in.
Definitely unsubscribe for him saying that.
Matt.
Oh. Carson.
This is gonna be fun.
Oh, 10 minutes.
Yeah, I don't think you're getting through, Eli.
Bet, nigga.
You got fat. Damn, won't focus.
Oh, that was funny. Not gonna happen. Should we go to the front gate? Let's go to the front gate.
They can't know that we're out here looking for aliens.
Hey,
I'm almost like 100% certain you guys can't hear the sheep because it's like hella faint.
they're probably like, what the fuck are you
Yeah, you guys are probably like, you guys are fucking idiots, but there's definitely a sheep. It's like a very faint baaing noise. Like maybe that's just the alien spaceship gearing up in sight. You never know.
You got 2 flashlights?
They're trying to.
This crap, bro.
Oh,
Yeah,
damn.
extra lighting.
2 phones.
Extra lighting.
Okay. 2 phones.
Extra lighting.
Okay. Hey, look, Eli. So it's a football field. Is it like a high school football field or? It's going to next to weird. Oh, these must be the clothes of the last person that tried to climb over.
Shut the fuck up. My ankle.
Damn, you're hella stupid. How come yours is like? Hide the fucking cameras.
I thought I wanted to.
Whoa.
Dang, you took days.
Yeah, cause
Did I take this long?
I have a fucked up knee, bro. What? Oh yeah, that's a car. Alright, well we gotta turn off the lights because the car just pulled up and this not supposed to be in this place, so had to jump the fence. Yeah, it just said no trespassing like 100 times. This is fun. The sheep are like right in front of us. We can hear them.
If there was cops though, I'm pretty sure it's some cops. If there was cops, there'd be multiple. And they pull up. Oh, fuck.
That was motion sensor.
Yeah, I know. That scared the shit out of me, bro. I was like, oh, fuck. If there was cops, they'd have their lights out. And there'd be more surrounding probably.
That light just literally scared the fuck out of us. Just turned on out of nowhere.
I'm mad. I am mad. I'm cleaning these with the towel.
What the fuck? Those are okay. I'm 100% sure you guys can hear them now.
They can't. I don't know what the hell is happening.
Those are some sheep, bro.
This is my back look for.
Like a trench.
Wait, actually, I'm gonna record on this.
I don't know, it's just water, but it looks like it's a trench in there. You guys can't see this. Try to see what they can do. Yeah, no, it's not gonna focus for you guys. I'm sorry to let you guys down. Really thought we were gonna find some sheep, or at least some aliens, you know. Or sorry to let you guys down. I really thought we were gonna at least find some aliens or something, but guess not. Sorry to let you guys down. I thought we were at least going to find. Fuck. Sorry to let you guys down. I thought we were gonna find some sheep. Fuck. I'm sorry to let you guys down. Thought we were at least. They don't need to know this. It's editing, bro. I'm sorry to let you guys down. I thought we were gonna find some sheep, or at least some aliens, you know, something like that. But sheep would have been really cool. I'm just a failure. Sorry. It's the beauty of editing, Eli. They don't need to know that it took me 20 times to say that. Alright, now can we just go back to the fucking hotel? I wanna go lift. Before my phone dies too, alright. It was fun to vlog.
There's poop, alien poop, bro.
Oh yeah! Proof of alien existence. Alright, on some real shit though, like, they started up again, but there's like, well, I'm gonna be quiet and let you guys listen. Alright, did you guys hear that? It sounded like, I'm gonna, for a second,
I just turn it off.
Alright, on some real shit, like, y'all hear this? Like, we were just leaving and they started up again. They're like, I can't turn the light on because we don't know what the fuck going on. So, like, well, we're like right next to a dog park and they're on the other side of the dog park in like this like dense wooded area. And like, listen. You guys hear that? It sounds like a. Like, I'm gonna edit it again for y'all to hear this, but like it sounds like. Listen. You hear that? That sounds like. That sounds like some screeching, bro.
Like sheep, bro, from all the way
Yeah, it sound like sheep.
Closer. It sound like sheep. We got over here. It stopped.
That's some like it stopped as soon as we started coming.
Now there's another noise.
Yeah, no, there's like this some like screeching. Sounds like a little girl maybe like trying to cry, but from hella far away, but it doesn't sound that far away. You feel what I'm saying? Like, this shit creepy, but like we gotta check it out. We gotta let you know what it is. We gotta check it out, bro. That's how people fucking die, Eli.
If I die, I got a story, bitch.
When this train leaves, we're gonna go around the woods, see what we can see. I mean, I can still hear like the quote-unquote sheep going at it. But that one like higher pitch, like lower frequency, I'm not even sure how I'm saying. That one other one that doesn't sound like a sheep, that's definitely not a sheep. That's aliens, bruh. Proof. Roswell, New Mexico is haunted by aliens. Alright guys, so we found a trail leading...
doing this because I told him to.
Shut up. So we found a trail leading into the woods that we heard all the noises coming from.
Are you walking slow? Walk faster, bitch.
Boy.
Just know I'm leaving your ass if something pops out. Oh, there's other shit.
Oh, what the fuck is that?
Oh, that's not shit. That's berries.
Alright, boy, this is a little creepy though. It's like literally right in front of us, like in front of these trees, but it's like dense trees that we can't walk through.
I mean, we can walk through right there, bro. You could have walked through over there, but you said no.
What the fuck is you? Are they frogs?
I don't know. That's what I was saying. This is like, cause it's hella wet right there too. Yeah, that makes sense.
You go through right here and check. Alright, we're going through these trees.
Oh, that's a big ass beetle. You got me fucked up, nigga.
Oh yeah, I'm not going near that beetle. The fat beetle in that tree like right in front of us. I guess we're not going through right there. I mean, ultimately, I really want to know what it is, but it's hella wet in here. Oh, tree.
You extra pair of fucking shoes.
I don't care. I don't want to walk back to the hotel with wet feet.
It's not that far.
It's like a whole 10-minute walk.
Exactly, not that far. Nigga.
Wet feet for 10 minutes, not worth it.
Yeah, you hear that, subscribers? Unsubscribe. You said no.
So we didn't find shit in this trail. Yeah, I was a bitch and didn't want to walk through.
How?
I had to pretty much convince him to walk in. He was kind of scared.
Everything changes